wanted to show a quick demonstration of the CYBERGAGE 360 scanning and inspecting a typical CNC machine part like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go put it into the CYBERGAGE with no fixturing. Just locate it in the center of the glass table so it can scan from both sides. And then we're going to close the door. We're going to go over here and we're going to start the scan. So basically with that, now the system is going to start scanning the part from the top and the bottom while it indexes the part several times to different orientations. And as it'll collect all the data into one coordinate system and then go into the inspection report sequence where it will compare the 3D scan data, to the CAD model and extract a number of dimensions that the inspection report, has requested, of this part. Now this allows anybody to walk up to the machine, identify the part either with a barcode reader or with just typing in a part number, and the system will find the right inspection report to go along with it. And then that inspection report will be run automatically against the 3D scan data you're seeing here on the screen that's coming up as it scans more and more of the surfaces all into one coordinate system. It'll compare the data to the CAD model, extract the dimensions, and presto, there is your inspection report with a good part, bad part result. The beauty, of course, of this system is that there's literally no programming. The part is unfixtured. You just put it, in the scanning area on the glass plate, and it's scanned from above and below through the calibrated through the glass, and then compared, to the CAD model, and the report is automatically, output. So what you're seeing here is a live demonstration of a complete part scan of the part. We'll have about 99%, 98% of the surface area on this part, and we'll be extracting, literally as many dimensions as we want from this high density scan data. We'll probably end up with more than 5 million coordinates on the surface of this part, comparing it back to CAD and then extracting dimensions. So all we're looking for is complete coverage, which looks like we're getting, and it'll show us where the part is good and where it's bad. And of course the color map comparison to the CAD model will show green where the comparison is within tolerance of the requirements for this part, and the blue will show where it's too shallow or too thin, and red where it's too big or too proud. I think what we're going to find from this part is that the pocket on the back side we see here is actually shifted in one direction. So that means one side will be blue and the other side will be red. But most importantly, this is super easy to use. It's very accurate for almost any part, that our customers, will be measuring in process. And here is the result. Here's the inspection report that shows the part, in a PDF format that's handed off to, everybody concerned. There's the red and the blue in that pocket. We're seeing how the pocket is shifted. And then we go down to dimensions that are, in this case, failing or passing. And but basically a 3D report that very quickly shows us where all the problems are, for the part, and then listed in an Excel spreadsheet that we can export, very quickly, from the to wherever it needs to go. So this is where CYBERGAGE really has found a great capability for being able to quickly provide inspection information on very complex geometry.